How to make highlights private on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application and then make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner and then tap on this plus icon over here at the top right. Then it will give you different options. So tap on story, and as you tap on story, you just need to create a story over here by clicking on any of the picture that you want to add as a highlight. So tap on the picture over here, and as you do that, tap on this arrow down or button beside close friends, and then tap on add people under close friends. Now as you do that, you can add as many people as you want as a close friend. So just toggle on this option for the people that you want to add as close friends. Then tap on done, and as you tap on done, it will land you to the story, and then tap on share icon at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on done over here, and as you tap on done, make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection just to make sure that you have uploaded that story within your close friends. Now just refresh the page and tap on the story over here on your profile. And as you tap on your story, you can see the highlight option at the bottom of the screen. So tap on highlight. And as you tap on highlight, you can just create new highlight by giving a name over there and tap on add. And as you add, you'll be able to create a new highlight for your story. Now you can just view on your profile and see that you have made highlights private on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.